The tale of the Lord of the Rings, The Return of the King, is an epic journey of courage, friendship, and the battle between good and evil. Frodo, a humble hobbit, carries the One Ring, a powerful artifact capable of immense destruction. With his loyal friend Sam, Frodo ventures to Mount Doom, the only place where the ring can be destroyed. Meanwhile, Aragorn, heir to the throne of Gondor, must step into his destiny as a leader and unite the free peoples of Middle-earth against the forces of darkness.
Frodo and Sam's journey is fraught with danger. They traverse treacherous landscapes, from rocky mountains to desolate plains, each step bringing them closer to Mordor. The weight of the ring grows heavier, testing Frodo's resolve. Sam, ever the faithful companion, provides strength and hope when Frodo falters. "There's some good in this world, Mr. Frodo," Sam declares, "and it's worth fighting for." This bond of friendship is one of the core themes of the story, illustrating the power of loyalty in the face of overwhelming odds.
Aragorn, alongside Legolas, the elf, and Gimli the dwarf, leads a diverse group of warriors to defend Middle-earth. Their unity showcases the strength that comes from embracing differences. In the Battle of Minas Tirith, Aragorn rallies his allies, declaring, "A day may come when the courage of men fails, but it is not this day." This moment highlights his transformation from a reluctant ranger to a confident king. His leadership inspires hope, even as the forces of Sauron close in.
Gandalf the White, a powerful wizard, plays a pivotal role in guiding the Fellowship. His wisdom and courage are unwavering, even in the darkest times. When Pippin, a hobbit, asks about death, Gandalf gently reassures him, "Death is just another path, one that we all must take." These words remind us that even in the face of despair, there is a sense of peace and continuity. Gandalf's perspective brings comfort and reinforces the theme of hope amidst adversity.
The Battle of Minas Tirith is a turning point in the story. The city is under siege by Sauron's massive army, including terrifying creatures like the fell beasts. Theoden, king of Rohan, leads his riders into battle with a stirring cry, "Ride now, ride for ruin and the world's ending." His bravery inspires his soldiers, even though the odds are against them. This moment underscores the importance of standing up for what is right, no matter the cost.
Meanwhile, Frodo and Sam face the treachery of Gollum, the creature corrupted by the ring. Gollum's obsession with the ring leads him to betray the hobbits, attempting to reclaim his precious. His character is a cautionary tale about the corrupting influence of power. Frodo, too, begins to feel the ring's pull, struggling to maintain his sense of self. This internal conflict adds depth to his character, showing that even heroes are not immune to temptation.
As the battle rages, Aragorn seeks the aid of the army of the dead, an ancient force bound by a broken oath. With his reforged sword, Enduril, Aragorn proves his claim to the throne and gains their allegiance. This alliance turns the tide of the war, demonstrating the power of redemption and keeping promises. The army of the dead's involvement is a key moment in the narrative, blending supernatural elements with the themes of honor and loyalty.
Sam's unwavering dedication to Frodo shines brightest as they near Mount Doom. When Frodo collapses under the ring's weight, Sam declares, "I can't carry it for you, but I can carry you." Lifting Frodo onto his back, Sam embodies the essence of selfless friendship. This act of courage and love underscores the importance of support and sacrifice in overcoming challenges. Sam's heroism is a testament to the strength found in the bonds of trust and loyalty.
At Mount Doom, Frodo faces his greatest challenge. The ring's power overwhelms him, and he claims it for himself. Gollum, however, intervenes, biting off Frodo's finger to seize the ring. In the struggle, Gollum falls into the fiery chasm, destroying the ring and himself. This moment is both triumphant and tragic, highlighting the duality of victory and loss. It also serves as a reminder of the fragile line between heroism and vulnerability.
With the ring destroyed, Sauron's power collapses and his forces are defeated. The Dark Tower crumbles and Middle-earth is freed from his tyranny. The victory is bittersweet as the cost of the journey weighs heavily on the characters. Frodo, in particular, is deeply scarred by his experiences. His return to the Shire is marked by a sense of detachment as he struggles to reconcile the simple life of a hobbit with the burdens he has borne.
Aragorn's coronation as King of Gondor is a moment of triumph and renewal. His reign marks the beginning of a new era of peace and prosperity for Middle-earth. In his speech, he acknowledges the bravery of the Fellowship and the sacrifices made to achieve victory. Aragorn's humility and wisdom make him a beloved leader, and his union with Arwen, the elven princess, symbolizes the harmony between different races and cultures.
The story concludes with the departure of Frodo, Gandalf, and the elves to the Undying Lands. This journey signifies the end of an era and the beginning of a new chapter for Middle-earth. Frodo's decision to leave is both poignant and necessary, as it allows him to find healing and peace. The farewell is bittersweet, as Sam, Merry, and Pippin bid their friend goodbye, knowing they will never see him again.
The Return of the King is a tale of resilience, sacrifice, and the enduring power of hope. It reminds us that even the smallest individuals can make a difference. Frodo's journey, though fraught with challenges, proves that courage and friendship can overcome even the greatest evils. The story's themes resonate across cultures and generations, making it a timeless masterpiece that continues to inspire.
Sam's growth as a character is one of the most touching aspects of the story. He begins as a simple gardener, loyal to his friend Frodo, but by the end, he is a hero in his own right. Sam's bravery and determination shine through as he protects Frodo, carries him up Mount Doom, and stands by him through every challenge. His journey is a reminder that heroism doesn't require grand gestures. Small acts of kindness and loyalty can change the course of history.
Pippin and Merry, the two mischievous hobbits, also show remarkable growth. Their roles in the story evolve from comic relief to key players in the war against Sauron. Merry fights valiantly alongside Éowyn to defeat the Witch King of Angmar, a seemingly invincible foe. Pippin saves Faramir from a fiery death in Minas Tirith. These moments highlight their courage and the importance of stepping up when the stakes are high, even if the odds seem insurmountable.
The eagle's arrival during the final moments of battle is both thrilling and symbolic. These majestic creatures, led by Gwaihir, swoop in to rescue Frodo and Sam from Mount Doom's eruption. Their intervention emphasizes the theme of unexpected aid in dire situations. Throughout the story, help often comes from surprising sources, whether it's a loyal friend, an ancient ally, or even fate itself. This recurring motif underscores the interconnectedness of all living beings.
The emotional depth of The Return of the King is enhanced by its exploration of loss and healing. The characters endure immense pain and sacrifice, but they also find solace in their victories and relationships. Frodo's departure to the Undying Lands is bittersweet, symbolizing the need to let go of the past and embrace new beginnings. The story's ending strikes a perfect balance between closure and the promise of hope, leaving a lasting impression on readers and viewers alike.
Tolkien's world building is unparalleled, and The Return of the King showcases this in every detail. From the lush greenery of the Shire to the imposing walls of Minas Tirith, each setting feels alive and immersive. The rich history and mythology of Middle-earth add depth to the story, making it more than just a tale of good versus evil. It's a reflection on the complexities of life, the enduring power of hope, and the courage it takes to stand against darkness.
At its heart, The Return of the King is about the triumph of the human spirit. It's about ordinary individuals rising to extraordinary challenges and proving that even the smallest act of courage can have a profound impact. Whether it's Frodo's perseverance, Sam's loyalty, or Aragorn's leadership, the story celebrates the qualities that define true heroism. Its timeless themes and unforgettable characters continue to inspire audiences around the world.
The final message of The Return of the King is one of unity and hope. It reminds us that, no matter how dark the times may seem, there is always light to guide us forward. The Fellowship's journey demonstrates the strength that comes from working together, embracing differences, and standing up for what is right. It's a story that resonates across generations, reminding us of the importance of resilience, friendship, and the enduring power of hope.